Hello everybody, today is the time for harvesting my sour cherry. Can you see? Still I have lots of cherry on my tree. It has a 3 years old. If you watch my past video, I have a video about when it got blooming. It was full of blooms, and you can see this is a result of that blooming. I planted these 3 years ago and it's doing really good. Still I have some, but they are not ripened yet. I will harvest them later on. You can see they doing really good. They are really tasty and I'm really happy about this. And I don't use any chemical fertilizer. I use the sulfur. You can see this is the sulfur. You can see my video about sulfur for use against insect and pests, and it's really good and really works. Just need you pouring them on top the soil, and that don't let the insect attack your plants, your trees. You can see here I use it like this. This is really good and really works. And I don't use chemical fertilizer for feed them, just I use cheap manure, and that's really works for me, even though I don't get enough sunlight because these walls around my yard, but they're doing really good and they grow really good. I'm really happy about this. Thanks for watching me. Subscribe to my channel, and if you like my video, please follow and support my channel. Have a great time, happy gardening. See you in next video.